Hello, welcome to Just Like TV. This is our first edition of Just Like TV, and today I want to talk to you about dealing with the fear of failure. You know, many people have objectives, goals, visions. They've got so many things that they want to do. They've got great things that they want to achieve in life, but they have one problem, and their problem is how to deal with the fear of failure. They ask themselves, am I ever gonna make it? Am I gonna succeed? Am I not going to fail? Okay, today we are going to see how we are gonna deal with that fear of failure. Keep watching. Okay, so first of all, I want you to know that God created you for success. So you already made it. No manufacturer ever creates a product with the intention of failure. It never happens. Imagine you being a manufacturer and you create, a product and you want that product to fail when people will use it. No. And God is the manufacturer of all manufacturers. He created you and I for great works. He has created us to have good results, great results. And He has put in you anything and everything that you need for success. He has put in you all the characteristics, all the skills and talents and all the potentials that you need to make it in life. So God has made you a success. You don't need to fear failure. You are not gonna fail. Imagine that night when your parents did it, that night. I don't know whether it was at 3 a.m., 4 a.m., 9 a.m. I don't know whether it was at midnight. I don't know about that, but that's not what matters. What matters is that night, you came out not alone. You came out with so many people, millions of people. And you know what? Guess who won that night? You were racing. You were running. You wanted to know who is gonna fertilize the egg, and you made it. You don't need to forget that you are the person who succeeded among millions of people. So just imagine that if you were to be a failure, you could have failed then, but you didn't fail. You are a success. My brother, my sister, you have made it. Imagine being in the womb for 9 months. The womb isn't a big place to stay. No, it's just a small thing. And imagine you spent 9 months there. How are you breathing? How are you hearing? But you made it. Imagine that. Just think of this. You were not created to fail. You have been made, you have been formed, you have been put together for success. And everything that you need to succeed has already been placed by God inside of you. So you are a success. Just get that into your mind. I am a success. Secondly, I want you to know something. God loves you. So you are not gonna fail. How does the love of God to you and success have together? Love means value. Like if I say I love you, it means I have placed so much value in you. It means you are so important to me. And if you are so important to God, that means that you are not gonna fail. That means God has to see to your success. When I say I buy a car of $40,000 and I buy another car for $2,000, which car has more value to me? The one for $40,000. And the car for $40,000 will be treated more differently than the one for $2,000. That is because of what? Because of the worth of that car. So it means the value gives it a certain worth. When we say God loves you, it means God has placed in you so much worth, so much value, and so you are worthy to God. There are so many people who say, I don't mean anything to God. We are not worthy before God. You know what? That's not true. You are worthy before Him. You have so much value. He's given you so much value. You are so much worthy before Him. So because of that, you are not going to fail. God wouldn't want to see you failing. He wants you to succeed. God loves you so much. He has placed so much worth in you. And the worth he has placed in you, the value he has placed in you, is because of what you have inside of you. It's something that attracts that worth of God. It's something that attracts that value of God. And that thing is the success. Success that you have attracts the worth of God, the value of God. So you are not gonna fail. You are not a failure. Just forget everything about fail, and focus on the success that God has given to you. You know, you are not gonna fail. Just get it in your mind. Get it there. Get it there. Get it there. I'm not a failure. I am a success. And lastly, I want you to know something. As long as others have made it, you are gonna make it too. You ain't any different from the others. You are not different from the others. Just imagine this. Those who are making it, they don't have 3 heads. They don't have 4 legs or, 12 fingers. They are not Goliath. Are they Goliath? They are not Goliath. You have the same bodily composure, the same mind with the other people who have made it. Just imagine that. If they have made it, what's your limit? What's the reason why you are not going to make it too? You are going to make it. Just get it straight. You ain't any different from those who are making it. They have made it. I'm going to make it. They have succeeded. I'm going to succeed. They have accomplishments. I'm going to have accomplishments. They have achievements. I'm going to have achievements. Just get this to yourself. Put yourself together and know this. As long as others have made it, you are going to make it too. There are so many people whom we know they have failed, and after all, they succeeded. So there is no way you are going to say, okay, me, I have failed. So, no. Just go and read the stories of those who have made it in your life. Maybe your models, maybe your mentors, maybe your professors, maybe your teachers, those who are your models, those who have made it in life, the stars that you see. Just read their stories. You'll find out that their stories are as natural as yours. Their stories are as just ordinary as yours. There's nothing so extraordinary. There's nothing so supernatural about success. No. They are ordinary people who have made extraordinary accomplishments. And as long as you are ordinary and an ordinary person, you are also going to make extraordinary accomplishments just like they did it. So you don't need to fear. You don't need to say, oh, am I going to succeed? Am I going to make it? Yes, you are going to make it. Just get that straight into your life. You are gonna make it. You are not gonna be a failure. No, people are not gonna look at you. People are not gonna laugh at you. No, not at all. You are a success. Okay, so that's all I have for you today. It's so important not to fear failure. Just like I said before, when you fear failure, you get discouraged, but don't fear failure in your life anymore. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and also like, comment on our videos, and share these videos with your friends and families. You don't know what you are doing for us. You don't know. It's just so much encouraging to share this with your friends and families. Thank you so much. God bless you. Love you. Okay. Don't forget, this is Just Light TV, where your life has a meaning.